warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. Visibility, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a variability. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver for the following counties and marine areas in near southeast New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Manus, Swan Inlet, New Jersey to Cape St. Lopen, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. With Mika and Worcester.